So step one of the video is you have to make sure you connect the OBD adapter to the port in the car and then launch your Beamer Code app. I'm just going to do a demo mode because it's a lot faster, but you click on connect and make sure you select the right cable and all that. But for now, I'm just going to show it as in the demo mode. Once that is connected, you have to look for something called rear electronic module. You go in there and you go into expert mode. And there, it'd be slightly easier if you search for the settings that I'm gonna show after. But yeah, just search for something called mapping. And I'm pretty sure this is in German and I don't know how to say it, but yeah. So this is the setting. I'm gonna show you all the settings after this point of the video and also the appropriate values that you have to set up. Okay, for the expert values, you have to make sure all these specific settings are set to these specified values over here. Feel free to pause it anytime in the video where you want to see it, but these two values are optional. You only have to do these if you want to disable the factory turn signal and only leave the LED strips to be used as a turn signal instead. Okay, once you have done all the settings, then you click on the top right corner, one's called code. This is not gonna work in demo mode, but once you have the car connected, it's just gonna run through its process and code all the values to the car. In case you run into issues, at the bottom right corner, there's the backup option, and you see the backup, the original coding values in here, which you can restore if you run into any issues.